Hello, welcome to the Thirsty Sword Lesbians Roll20 demo part 3. I'm Sean Inner, and today, or now, I'm going to go through how to use the token markers that we just attached to our game back in part 2. So if you don't know how to attach them, go back and see that video. But let's pull up getting into a new game that has the token markers attached. So let's see how that looks. I've made my game, I've attached the token markers, now I'm going to launch it. When the game is launched, if you haven't added the token markers already, then any that we built into the module will be stripped away, will be lost. But you can just go exit the game and add them as we did in part 2, and they'll come right back again. So no worries there. So to use the token marker set, all you do is click on any given token. We'll click on the trickster right now. And you click on this, once it's highlighted, you click on the token marker icon, and you'll see there's all of the defaults, but we have this top row and then everything after our red row, all these down here. Whoops, lost them. All these down here, these are all defaults. You can certainly use any of those, but the 9 that we added are in the second row and the first one on the third row, and they're all color coded for the various iconic colors that we used with the with each of the playbooks. So for instance, you see each of these characters, the beast is purple, the chosen is light blue, the devoted is white, the scoundrel is yellow, the infamous is red. And the idea is that if you're using these sort of token borders, and you can identify that the nature witch is orange, the spooky witch is black, and the secret is green, etc., that you can track your strings that way. So click on the token markers again, and let's say I wanted to give the trickster strings with the infamous. I want to track that. I will mouse over the infamous's little token marker, and then I could just click on it, and if I did that, it would just put the token marker there, which is great. Maybe you would think that means one string or some strings or something like that. That certainly works. It's doable. But Roll20 has something even cooler, which is that instead of just clicking on it, you can type a number on your keyboard, any number 1 through 9, and it will add that number to the token marker. So let's say I have 2 strings on the infamous. I just type 2, and bam, there I go. I've got 2 right there. It might be sort of hard to see on this recording, but I promise you right there under the infamous, I have 2, and I can keep going. I can say, well, for the nature witch, she's orange, I'm going to have 1, and for the devoted, I will have 3. There we go. Oops, I thought I typed 3, I typed 2. It's okay. And then as I'm going along to change them, let's say I wanted to add 1 more devoted. Now I just type in 3, and that will change the value. And if it goes down, I can type in 1, it's gone down. And if it's gone away completely, I can just click on it, and it will remove it from my token altogether. So that's how you can use token markers to track strings in a way that everybody can see, and it's very visible on the table. Hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned for more features coming in the next part.